In front of me we have the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today we're just going to be doing a teardown of it. As you can see over here, this display is damaged. Let's go ahead and power off the device here. Alright, first thing that we'll do is we'll go ahead and get some heat around the edges here. Then we'll put some isopropyl alcohol in between to soften up that adhesive, and we'll take off the screen. That's where the boards are located. So I have my heat gun here. I have it set to 180 degrees Celsius. You can go with whatever temperature is comfortable for you, but do keep in mind not to burn the screen. If you have a heat plate, that is another option. Alright, we'll take some of our isopropyl alcohol and just put it right between the seams. We'll go ahead and use a suction cup here. We'll go ahead and apply some more heat. Alright, so the device turned on as we were taking off that screen, so we'll go ahead and just turn that off again. Alright, so we have some T3 screws here. We'll go ahead and get that unscrewed. So here's the SIM tray. We'll go ahead and remove this battery and then get to the speaker. This should be just on tape. Go ahead and just grab a small flathead here, just to help us. And there is our speaker. That's about it for this side here. So we got the screen off as well as all the other components. We'll go ahead and pull this side off here where you got your motherboard and all your cameras. And we will do it in a similar manner where we'll go ahead and heat this up, put some alcohol in the corners to soften up that adhesive. We'll utilize a suction cup to help get that glass start going up. And then we'll go ahead and separate the adhesive from the metal housing there.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repairs so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
Alright, so first thing we notice here is there's a ribbon for your flashlight here. And so you cannot just take off back cover as you normally would. So we see the wireless charger here. But do be mindful of this. So what you would probably want to do is open it past a certain point, and it looks like they're consistent with the T3 here. So you'll go ahead and use your T3. Take off that shield. Make sure you unplug that connector, and it will go right there. So do keep that in mind, and let's proceed with taking apart all these components. So here's the board and the cameras. And then we got some thermal paste on the back here. We'll go ahead and disconnect the cameras. Alright, so here's the board. Alright, next we'll go ahead and pull this battery off. Alright, so all that's left on this side would be these buttons here. Pull this out, you can just go ahead and lift them up from there, and the ribbon sits right here. So you'll go ahead and lift up this ribbon, like so. And then you would want to grab a flathead or something similar and grab the corner. Alright, so instead of that plastic tab, there's a slight metal that sits right there. So what you would want to do is get right underneath that metal piece and just pry straight up, and there we go. And all we got left is this button right here. Got the same T3 screws. Alright, and there we got the actual button. And there we have it. And then you got the actual display here that you can tear it down a little bit further, but for the most part, that will do. Alright, and that is our initial teardown of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. A few things that we learned from it. Again, T3 screws all the way around. Do be mindful of when lifting the back glass cover here. As the flashlight has a ribbon on there, but otherwise pretty straightforward. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.